Come here, Steven. So I just tell him I can water all the way.
He's a pretty Privi. Hey, Priv. Who's a pretty puppy?
He's like, oh no.
You getting all wet, Mama? Oh no. Oh no. I'm getting all wet. I'm soggy. Oh, my butt. Oh, my tail. Oh, my goodness. Woo.
Mama got that booty, huh? Mama got that booty.
Are you violated, little buddy? Are you violated?
Hi, Tori.
She's trying to spray Mama, too, apparently. Or Daddy.
Oh, okay, that's enough. Let me put some soap on. Okay, payback, fair.
Well, that's a Privi monster. Mama bathing you, buddy. Night of an angel. Oh, you know I'm making fun of you, huh?
He's like, let me look away. That's not a good shot.
Getting them pets. That feel good. That feel good.
That feel good, huh? Let me take a
Get them pizzas.
Yeah, get that belly. Yeah. Feel good, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't get your tail. Or I did, and you dried it off.
His tail doesn't hold moisture very well.
Right.
He's a good Privi. With everybody, hi. He's a good boy.
Yeah, him is.
Oh, butt in the air. Got some pre-hurricane bath. Yep.
All right, front side.
More soap.
Yeah, lots of soap. No, I'm sorry. Let me get some paws too. Yeah, let me get some armpits too. He's a good baby. He's a good baby. So mad at me. He's a baby. He's a baby. Yeah. Doesn't it feel good? Doesn't it feel good? Real nice and thick.
He is not happy with you.
We're gonna feel better after. Yeah. You're gonna feel real good. See? Already feels better. So sit for a minute.
So, Privi, tell me about yourself. What brings a pup like you to a neighborhood like this?
Please. Sorry. Let me go too high. You're gonna get your good shoes all messed up.
These are not my good shoes.
Oh.
I don't have good shoes.
Well, they cost how much recently? Didn't we just buy them?
$20.
Oh, never mind.
And they're boat shoes, Mama. You can get a boat shoe wet, right? That's what you're supposed to be able to do. Privi, are you mad? You want to come see Daddy? Want to come see Daddy?
That's what Bubba did. He left Mama. I was like, I don't want nothing to do with you. But I let Bubba off the leash. Can we let him off?
Mama giving you deep scrubbings. You and Twiggy been digging too much. You can see all the red mud on his chest.
Yeah.
Oh, there he goes. Soap dispenser. You got one more in you?
I was scared it was going to be too slick here. And with all the soap, I was washing them.
Is it rinsing time?
I don't know. I kind of want them to sit longer, but I think they're dead, huh? Think?
So you got a new car, huh?
Yeah, an Armada. 2020.
A 2020 Armada?
Mm-hmm.
Plymouth makes that, doesn't it?
Yeah, Nissan. So make me spray your phone.
You're going to spraying the hell out of me in a second. Probably on purpose.
He's going to spray you in a minute. Because you know he's got lots of hair.
Our little Privi.
Does that feel good? They're like, I think they don't know what to think because it's colder, you know? They're not used to the colder water. But at the same time, I think like when you get a hair wash at the salon, how that water feels good. I gotta get your head. Okay, I'll give you a break. He's such a good boy. He's such a good boy. Yeah, him is. Ooh, I get your wee wee.
It must be why he was licking his lip extra
Oh
hard.
God. What is that feeling down there I never felt before?
So I talked to Sick yesterday. He's hunkering down.
I hope it's not.
David and Cindy are at this point still hunkering down.
Such a good storm.
I don't know what Shep's doing. Shelby is already in Savannah.
Is Shep still with David and them?
Yeah.
I didn't know if he had quit or not.
No, baby, he lives there with them.
I know he did. I didn't know. He's been spending a long time with his grandkids, so I didn't know for sure if maybe he went a different route.
Oh, if he moved up north to be closer to them or something? No, not to my knowledge. You know, I talked to Joe, the one who's,
Jedi?
Yeah, Joe the Mountain Jedi. I talked to him.
Where does he live?
He's down there in Tampa with them, or in the Tampa area. He had to go to St. Augustine to take care of some business today.
Before the hurricane?
Yeah.
Oh, his nails split, Daddy.
Aww.
No, I don't think so. I think it's just the way it was going.
He is not happy with you.
I know, I'm going to cut these long hairs off the back. Oh, that's his tail. Let me cut these nasty sideburns off. That's what I did with little bit. I cut some of that back shit off.
Yeah.
Try to keep from them.
Dreading up.
Yeah.
He looks so skinny. Like we never feed him.
I know, right? You would think he never got a million snacks. Some builds are just like that. Come here, let me see this side. Let me know you're cold. It's almost done. You act like it's 60 degrees out here.
Go ahead and trim his beard while you're doing that.
His beard?
Yeah. I'm so cold, Mama.
I know. This is the worst part when I have to wait for them to dry them off.
Oh, poor baby.
His beard? Down
Yeah,
here?
yeah. Because I can see all of the dirt and debris in it.
That's just because Mary's been eating at it. Let me see. Let me get the soap out there. He's like, really? I just dried myself off. Yeah, I see what you're talking about.
You can still see it on this side too,
Yeah.
deep down. Him getting another trim. Hey, benefit to you having that Armada over the other thing. You can now use your windshield washer fluid.
I know, right? That's what I was thinking too earlier. I was like, hey.
And you even used it
everything
yesterday
actually
when you
works.
test drove it.
Don't call me out.
I just said you use it. I didn't say you used it to change gears in the...
It's a new vehicle. I was used to driving the danger ranger, okay? Yeah, they're like in the hive down here, you see them?
Yeah.
In that dirt patch. Poor baby.
They're going to get some good treats tonight.
Right?
You have to go in there and start cooking in a minute.
I know. I really want to try to do as many of them as I can. But I am scared it's going to get too cold. But, like, I don't want to finish the inside dog, like the outside dogs, and then them hang out together, and, like, May still has just as much on her.
Yeah. So you're going to wash all the...
All I got is Sir and May left. Can you stay out here for me to finish Sir? Because he might be hard, but May will be easy, I think.
Yeah.
Right? Okay.
Yeah.